English Spelling Test, Part 10. There are 10 questions, and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer by completing the sentences with correct spelling. The answer will be shown after the time is up. Write your score in the comment section. Number 1. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. Open your dictionary to check the meaning. B. Number 2. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. If necessary, we'll bring him here. B. Number 3. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. We have to accomplish this task tonight. B. Number 4. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. Stop it. You have done excessive exercise. C. Number 5. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. The disaster causes massive devastation. C. Number 6. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. What is your responsibility in this office? A. Number 7. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. The car are releasing toxic gas into the atmosphere. C. Number 8. Question: A, B, or C? Answer. English pronunciation is difficult. B. Number 9. Question. A, B, or C? Answer. People must protect the environment from pollution. A. Number 10. Question. A, B, or C? Answer. The earthquake caused great damage. C. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in the next video.